Here's a pair of the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. I'm going to show you how to put this in pairing mode and how to connect to one device and then two devices. Okay, so first thing is I have a Samsung Galaxy S25 here and I have an iPhone 16e here. So first thing is let's connect to this Android phone here, the Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, so let me open this up and I'll know it's in pairing mode if both the lights here is blinking blue slowly, like blue, blue, blue. Okay, I get a solid white light here, so let me manually put this into pairing mode. There's a button here on the back. I'm going to press and hold for like 2 seconds or just wait until it turns blue. Ready? Press and hold. It turns blue. Now it's in pairing mode. You can see it blinking like really slowly. Now on Android phone you may have this open window pop up. You can connect that way, or if not, if it doesn't pop up, you can just do the normal way. Just go to your settings, go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, tap on Bluetooth, and that spinny thing right there now is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me. And I did find the Bose Open Earbuds Ultra here. I'm just going to tap on that. We should get a pairing request here. Tap on pair. And voila, we are connected, ready to go. So now we're connected to this Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, so now let's put this down. Now let's say we want to connect to another device. It could be like your TV or your computer or another phone. In my case, it's going to be an iPhone here. Okay, so let's connect to this one now. All right, so let me go ahead and turn these off. Okay, now I'm going to open these up. Now for me to connect here, I have to put it in pairing mode. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. All right, I want it blinking blue slowly, so it's not in pairing mode now. It's connected to this phone here. There's paired to that phone there. So let me go to this button here. I'm going to press and hold for like 2 seconds or until it turns blue. Okay, now it's blue. So now it's in pairing mode. Now we can connect to this phone as well. So let's go to settings on my iPhone here. I'm going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And then if I scroll down, under here, other devices, that spinny thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, so these are still in the pairing mode. It's not showing up though. Let me turn off Bluetooth and turn it back on to rescan. Voila, it did pop up. Open Earbuds Ultra. So now I'm going to tap on that. And it should connect right away. You won't get the pairing notification with the iPhones. Anyway, I'm connected, okay? So now, obviously, I can listen to music. I can watch YouTube videos on here, and it's going to come out of here. Now, I'm connected to both of these phones. Now, if I come to this Samsung Galaxy S25 and I put on some music or whatnot, and then the audio is going to come out directly from there. Then once I put that down, I lock it, and I go to this phone, and I bring up music or YouTube, and right away, it's going to be connected on here. So right now, they're connected to both. So pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below.